What's going on, everyone? I am doing a review style like video, I guess, on Lively Wallpaper right here, because I just found out about this and I think it's pretty cool. It's got a lot of things you can do with it, different wallpapers like this one. Currently triangles and light right here. You got the hill, shows the time, day, date. Then obviously you can see these like shaders here. It's got rain. If you're in a rainy mood, that moves a little bit with your mouse. It's got the periodic table. Pretty cool. This one's nice. If you're listening to music or TV, it'll show up here. I'm not sure how this one works. I ain't really used it. Here's a music tunnel. Makes it look like you're in a tunnel there. The Medusa. Jellyfish. It's a jellyfish. It's a little jellyfish. And if you're into the Matrix, those simulation theorists out there, you can have this on your desktop. And what I usually have on mine is this one, Fluids. This goes with your mouse. So yeah, I thought this was pretty cool and I wanted to share. Hope you enjoyed. Again, this is a Lively Wallpaper. I'm running Windows 11 on this device. So if you have Windows 11 and you would like this, it's free. You can get it in the Microsoft Store. Check that out. Are you mesmerized by the colors?